This session we are going to discuss about the SketchUp. So in SketchUp we have a free version as well. On the other hand, we have also the paid version as well, but currently we are going to work on the free one. So the free one is the web-based version, and if we need to look something on the desktop or a software version, then we have the paid versions. So to get the free version, we simply need to type the SketchUp free, and here you find this link. Just click on this link and then start modeling. You can see we have some plans as well if we need to buy the paid version and if we need to buy some desktop version. So these are some monthly and the annually plans, but currently we are going to work on the free one. And when you are going to start, you find something like this logo is moving in front of you, and after that it starts working. So this is the basic interface of our SketchUp, like how SketchUp is looked at. And this one is the recent file, like if we create something before, we find our recent files here. And this is the Tremble Connect, like if we have any pre-built project, we will find all our projects here. Like this one is my previous project I created, so we find all the things here. And if we need to start anything, we simply need to click on the home and then start new. Here from here we can create a new one, and if we have anything that is pre-built, we simply open this from our device. And let's start to create our model. Simply click on this, and this is our complete interface, like how a complete SketchUp is look. And from here we can add the name of our project, like if we need to rename it, we can do that from here. And from here, if we need to save this, and if we need to save that, and we can work after that. And if we need to share it with somewhere, we can simply click here and we can get the share link from here. And other than that, these are some toolbars that we use normally in our Illustrator and other tools. We have also the toolbars, and so here these are some toolbars that we can use for our 3D modeling. And here we have a different things, like we find some entity, we find components and materials that helps us to create our complete 3D models. And from here, if we need to add some colors, add some materials, and if we need to add some shadows and all these things, so we can discuss all of them in detail after that. And let's see, there here you can see these are three different lines: red, green and the blue. These are the three axes, like if we need the shape in the horizontal, vertical and the straight one, so we just follow these three to find to create our complete structure and our 3D model. Let's start. This one is my pencil. I simply need to write a create a one single line. I'm going to click on this pencil. Let me select this one and start from here. Oh, sorry. Okay, here you guys can notice one thing. When I'm going to click here and it shows me the green color, it's mean that I'm currently on the green axis. And if I move here, it shows me the red axis, and it also shows on that view on the red axis. It's mean we are currently on the red axis. And if we need a straight line like this, it will also highlight us. For that we have on the blue axis, right? And other than that, this is my straight line. If I'm going to press the shift, it will gives me the complete straight line, like I'm not able to move anything, it will gives me the straight line. Other than that, if I need to add a dimension, like I need 5 centimeter, I need 5 inches complete straight line, how I can do that? I simply click here, and here you can see in the bottom it's mentioned the length, like from here we can add the length. Simply I pick the line and type the number here, 5 and inches. That's it. Here you can see I just press the click enter button, and here you can see it stops me my line at the 5 inches. Other than that, if I'm going to start again and going to create a straight line like this, you can see, and now I need a 10 inches. I type the 10, then press enter. Here you go, it gives me the 10 inches line. And if I need that here you can see when I create a line, but still when I end my point, I saw this point and this line, still it's connected with my previous line. If I need to end this, I simply press the escape button. Here you go, now I don't have any extra lines, my line is complete ended. Other than that, if I need to create a one box, and let's see, like in our classes we discuss about the vertex, edges and the faces. So suppose now I need to check that about all these tasks. Create a one small box like this. Okay, this is my one small box, and here you can see this is the one tool that helps us to see around different locations. Like I simply click on this tool and then move my complete workspace, so I'm able to see that my shapes from all the locations. Like this is my different faces from the top, bottom, left, right. Here you go, this one is the place, but still we have the faces because the middle thing is normally known as the face. We have the vertex, we have the edges. Okay, suppose, and now I need my box in the blue axis. How I can do that? Simply I click here, let's go to the blue one again. Now I need to go to the red, blue and red. Let's go, we can check the surface from here. Here you go, now it's in the straight format like this. Okay, before that other shape is linked, but this one is the straight and the standing position like the man. Okay, because we follow the blue axis here. So these are some things that we can use in a by while creating anything according to the axis. Other than that, let's try with the box. Okay, this is one box. I just need to click on this. Like if we need any rectangle shape, I'm going to click on this box, and here you go, I have a one box. Okay, now I need to push this up. Okay, this is the one scale that helps us to this one is the one that helps us to push our shape up. I'm going to select this one and then going to select this one and move my shape up. Here you go, you can see now I have a complete 3D model like this. Okay, this is my complete 3D model. I simply create a one plain box, one plain rectangle shape, and simply use that push up button, push up scale, that helps me to create a 3D model and 3D structure. Now suppose I need to create a one house model. So how I can, okay, there's a one razor advice that helps us to remove our things. Like if we need to remove anything, we simply need to click on our razors. Like I'm going to remove this line, I click on my razor and it will helps me to remove all the things. Okay, let's rearrange my workspace again. I'm going to create a one straight line, then it will move down. I'm just going to check about the faces, like which type of, okay, here you go, because we are working on only the red axis and the green axis, we have the straight one. And here if I wanna go to the y-axis, from here I'm going to click this one is the plane. Yeah, here I go, this one is the blue one, this one is the straight red one, again this one is the blue one. Here you can see, okay, this one is the blue one, again the blue one, and I'm going to close this blue one here. Let's see what result we get. Here you can see we have a structure like this. Okay, this one is the structure, like it's not the in the laying position, it's in the standing position. So now I need to create a one home. Okay, how I can do that? Simply I'm going to create a one, let me arrange my workspace first according to me. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to select this one. No, I need a square one, so for that I'm going to type 20 inches comma 20 inches. No, I think so. Okay, to zoom out and zoom in, we're simply going to use our mouse as well, and we can use Control Z or Control minus and Control plus. Okay, I think it's very larger. I'm going to select 10 by 10. Okay, this is my shape, 10 inches comma 10 inches. Okay, but I want this in my workspace, not outside the workspace, so that will helps me to create a complete structure. Okay, this one is my base now. So other than that, if I'm going to select this, like if I click here and move it up, in that we don't have any inner part, like we don't find something like we have some uh what we say that we don't have the outline boundary, then we don't have some floors, but we need a floor, we need outline boundary, we need the doors and windows as well. So this fill doesn't happen like that. So simply we are going to create a one square, and then here we have a some offset tool. This one is the offset. I simply click on this, and then here you can see when I move that tool in the mouse location, here you can see it will affect us. Simply click on this and move slightly, like I need only the 4 to 5 inches, and leave it. Okay, now I'm going to push only that boundary, not the complete shape. Here you go. Now I will show you the result. Okay, you can see it will gives us a one box, but with the floors and all these things. Okay, now this is my front side. Okay, I need a one door as well. For the door, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to create a door here. Okay, and same for the door, I'm going to use the offset, like because in the doors we also have some boundaries. For that, first of all, I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm able to, okay, yeah, but the minor one like this. Okay, and other than that, in the door here you can see it gives me border from the top, bottom, left, right, but I don't need a border in my bottom. So for that, I'm going to click on the razor, and I'm going to tell this one, and then I'm going to select that. With this one another thing that I can do that, wait, okay, that's it. We can leave it like that, and we're going to use these tools and this tool. Okay, and now I'm going to click on the pull button, because I need to pull it like this, because I need that we can see the internal and external view as well. Let me zoom out. Let's see outer. Here you can see we can see the outer view and the inner view as well. Okay, this is my door. Now I need a window, but for the window we need a complete measurement. So how we can do that? Here we have one measuring tape. Yeah, this one is the tape that helps us to create a complete structure. Okay, so for that, this one is my one measure. For the measurement, I'm going to select, yeah, from here I'm going to select the position. I need a 6. Okay, this is my one boundary. Other than that, I need other is the top of my line, like this point. this one is my top and my bottom, and I need one more to make that gives us the center point. Wait, it doesn't give us a proper center point. I need one center point. Again, I'm going to click on the tape, click on the top point. Okay, this one is the one line, and other than that, this one is the second line. Okay, and here we have a one another line. Oh, they give us in the vertical paste. We need that in the horizontal one. Okay, so here we can create a one box like that. Let me create a one window. I think so window is fine here. No, the middle point here. Okay, this one is one window for us. And for window, I think we need an offset as well for the window, because we need a boundary for that. Again, we are going to create a window and like this, then we are going to click on the push up. Okay, let's see the internal of that after the, so let me zoom out. I just wanna see the internal. Okay, I need to do that again because it gives us the complete push-up but not the internal and external view. Okay, now let me check this again. Yeah, okay, we just remove the push-up from here as well because we need an internal view. Okay, let me arrange my, yeah, like this. And from the push-up we need to adjust it again. Okay, again we are going to create a one box. Let me erase these lines by using the eraser. Also I'm going to erase these extra layers, and this one is also extra. I don't think so we need that. Let me create a box again. This one, then again we are going to click on the offset, this one, and the push-up. Let me zoom out. Okay, now we need a roof as well because we don't have a roof. For that I move like this. I'm going to create a one square here, the top, and just like that. Now we have a complete roof as well, but we need to make a complete design. Let's move it and like that. Okay, this one is the plain structure. We need a complete roof, so we need to click on the pencil, click here. Is this my central point? No, this one is the midpoint. So first of all we are going to select the midpoint and then we get it. So this one is my midpoint, blue axis. Again I'm going to select here and like this. I'm going to remove this middle line by using the razor, also this line. Okay, now I'm going to push that back on my location. No, but before removing, I firstly need to move that back. So Control C, push this back, yeah, like this. And I need a first front boundary as well to close this, and now I need a razor. Okay, and there's one another thing, same, I need a offset for these boundaries. Okay, this one, and I simply push them inside like that. Let me see the, yeah, this one. Okay, we got the offset like that, but again I'm going to create a one square because I don't like the, okay, that's it. I'm going to press the escape. So now this one is the, like, this one is the dummy structure. The dummy structure is created for our house, but now we need some color effects for that. Okay, for the color effects, here we have different type of materials, and if we need to select any color we can use from here. And if we need some brick structure, so for that I'm going to select a brick. For the front and side I need a brick. I simply click on the bricks and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to remove these extra lines, this one as well. Okay, and for the window I need a glass mirror. I'm going to select this mirror and paste it here. Other than that, for the bricks, let me check that these bricks cover all the sides or not. No, I need these bricks on all my sides. If we need, we can select these gray bricks as well. I think these are look more cute. Okay, from the front hand side again we are going to change the bricks. Yeah, this one brick is completed. Now we need to change our roofing color, so the roof is also, I think so, in the gray format. And the internal one also. Okay, that's it. And then if we need to add anything for our door, how we can do that? Like, I need to create a one door, but here currently I need to create a boundary for that, and the boundary needs to be in the, no, something in wood, I think so, will looks fine. Yeah, I'm going to check this one, maybe it suits or not. No, Okay, this one is my door, and again I need a offset for them. That time I need a outline offset, and outline needs to be little bit dark one. Yeah, this one. And I need a one circle and other shapes, like let's see, like I just need some box shape. Also looks fine. Yeah, that's it. Let me little bit zoom on. Yeah. Okay, and again we are going to create offset because that helps us to get a minor boundaries. For this, again we are going to select the portion. For that, I think so we need something steel effect, metal effects like that. No dark metals. If we try this one, no, doesn't looks good. If we try these or these, no, but it will merge. I need something that will be a more prominent. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, this one is our like a basic home 3D effect. Let's see the effect from all the sides. Yeah, this one. Oh, where's our back side? Yeah, because I move from the front, so the back side will disappear. I'm going to create it again and give them some colors. First of all, we need to give the roofing color. Okay, the roof is done. Again we need to select, yeah, bricks, this one, and for this we select this color. Okay, now our complete structure is fine from both the sides. Here you can see. Okay, here you can create some grasses as well. If you want, you can add some more detailings, add some door colors, windows effect, everything you want by using all these tools. So these are the basic introduction. Like after that, if I need to save that, I simply click on the save, yes, merge all. And one thing, if we need to check, sorry, I'm just going to close this, and if I need to create a group, I simply going to select all these and then side click. There's a one option for the side click, and another one is a control G, so that will help us to create a one group effect. Here you can go make a group, we can make a one group. And now if we are going to select this, you can see all the things are selected collectively, so we don't need to select separately. If we're going to save, just click on the save, and from here you can create a one folders, and other than that you can simply create a one new, save here. That's it. Okay, this is my structure that is saved, and when you go to your home, you can find all the structures here. So that's it about the SketchUp modeling, and in the next lesson we are going to discuss them more in details. Thank you.